Hey guys, welcome back to another Aiden unboxing video. Now, I went to Fan Fusion this weekend. This past weekend I went to a Fan Fusion Comic-Con, and it was a huge deal for me as it's my first time going to a con. My first time going to a con was with Fan Fusion, so it was a pretty big deal for me. I had a lot of fun. Saw a lot of cool stuff, lots of cool cosplays, lots of cool vendors. Had lots of good food and drinks and edibles. It was a lot of fun. And of course, I did get a lot of stuff in this large bag rather. Yeah. I put like three other bags in here. This is a super large bag. Backpack. These are technically backpacks that you put your things in. I bought one. Obviously I bought one for me because I was getting tired of carrying it all in one single hand. So yeah. For the first day I got two stuff. I got this Otto figurine from Simpsons and Pee Wee Herman, but we'll get to that one later. For now, let's unbox the Otto. So this is Otto, the bus driver from Simpsons. As you can see, he's a rock star, and I feel like I'm slowly starting to learn more about these Simpsons characters. I'm slowly learning more about these characters. Like I said, I have been watching Simpsons. I have been watching Simpsons lately this year, and closer look. All right, so here's a closer. Well, wait a minute. Did I unbox the entire thing on accident? I just unboxed the figurine on accident without even being aware of a closer look. I didn't even show a closer look either. Literally, as I was preparing for a closer look, I forgot about the actual closer look. So yeah, Otto, he's the bus driver in The Simpsons. I'm gonna see if I can, how did the packaging do it? Let's see, I need to replicate this one shot here. Let's try and replicate this shot. Otto is Otto's the bus driver, and he's quite an underrated character. I don't have much to say, surprisingly, much else to say, honestly, but yeah. You know, given that I'm out of regular school, but if I had to pick one person to have as my bus driver, it'd definitely be Otto. He seems fun to talk to in the show. Yeah. smells like nothing. And for the next thing, the next thing I got from day one was the Pee Wee Herman. Was this Pee Wee Herman? This Pee Wee Herman figurine. It's not showing the actual thing, and it shows the actual figurine on. I think it shows the actual figurine on the back, but like I think I'm gonna take a toll and keep the actual figurine design as a surprise. That's some cool artwork, actually, of all the Pee Wee characters. It's the same on the other box too, but like, yeah. Let's do an actual closer look this time. An actual closer look. Okay, so here's a closer look at the box, I guess. Ultimate Pee Wee and Pals action figure. Oh, yeah, I bet. All the characters. No, 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 no. So yeah, let's get started now. Actually. So let's get started now. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! What is that thing? Why does he look like that? He looks way too uncanny. Genuinely, what the frick is that design? I mean, the other characters look fine, I guess. I mean, characters like Randy, the Globe, and the Pterodactyl, I forgot their names because it's been a while since I've last watched Pee-wee's Playhouse. They all look fine. Oh God. Let's get started, I guess. You know, there's figure designs that are bad, figure designs that are ugly, but then there's figure designs that are just straight up vile. Ugh. Oh God. Why'd they make him look so realistic? Why does he look so realistic? They gave him heads too. They gave him separate heads too, but they all look so unhinged. Like it literally feels like it doesn't even feel like I'm unboxing an actual action figure. It just feels like I'm unboxing a never mind. Hands. I mean, the side figures look decent at least. The Globe looks decent, and the Pterodactyl looks decent. This guy's name is Randy, I think. If his name is Randy, then yeah, I think this is the only other name that I remember from these three. And yes, I've been watching Pee-wee's Playhouse a lot, and Pee-wee's Playhouse is honestly a pretty underrated show. Actually, what am I saying? I have not watched Pee-wee's Playhouse in a minute. I have not watched Pee-wee's Playhouse in like a minute. Ugh. No. No. No, 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 no. I can't even. After thinking about it, I can't. So, let's go over the characters, shall we? So, Pee Wee Herman was someone I used to watch a lot when I was younger. Pee Wee Herman was someone I watched a lot when I was younger. Like, I loved watching his movies. Like, he made lots of banger movies like Pee Wee's Big Adventure and Pee Wee's Big Holiday. Pee Wee's Big Adventure, Pee Wee's Big Holiday. Big Top Pee Wee is like the third Pee Wee movie, but like I don't think I remember watching that one. I just remember watching I just remember watching all I remember is watching Big Adventure and Big Holiday. There's also side characters in the there's also side characters in this series too, like there's also side characters in the series too, like this globe here and this pterodactyl and this puppet character. Oh, live Randy reaction. Literally my face the second I saw this action figure design. But yeah, this is Randy and another character from Pee-wee's Playhouse. I have not watched Pee-wee's. I don't think I remember. I don't remember much from Pee-wee's Playhouse, despite only watching it like despite only watching it a few years ago, like maybe 2 or 3 years ago. No, it's been 6 years since I last watched the series. Back in the COVID days, I think was the last time last time I saw Pee Wee Herman. Oh no, I've watched I watched Pee-wee's Big Holiday a few months back. And honestly, for a rewatch, Big Holiday, I think it still kind of holds up. It still kind of holds up. But like, I don't see anybody talking about Pee Wee Herman nowadays. Pee Wee Herman's kind of forgotten about. I'm gonna see if I can take this head off. Actually, no, let's not. Let's not go all the way there. But yeah, these are the other heads that Pee Wee has. These are the other heads that Pee Wee has. Oh! Oh! Oh, I just beheaded, Pee-wee. I just took his head off, and, let's find one of the, spare heads. This one looks the most goofy, so we're going with this one. He actually does look so derpy, though. I'm putting on different features. This is the best I can do, I think. And yes, this was his original hand. This was his OG hand. Look at these things have done to me. I don't know what this pterodactyl just did to me. I look stupid. Great, now I look like a freaking idiot. Thanks. Thanks a lot, Oh. Oh yeah, he did come with tags too. There's fun, friends, and ultimate. I don't know how these tags are supposed to work, but oh yeah, there's also a fourth one, but I'm not gonna reveal it because it kind of does sound it sounds a little too suspicious, and I'm not gonna reveal it. I feel like changing Pee-wee never mind, but yeah. It's so hard to turn him. It's so hard to turn his joints around. It's so hard to turn his joints around. Part of me kind of does want to watch Pee-wee's Playhouse again, though. I kind of do feel like watching Pee-wee's Playhouse again at some point, just to see if it still holds up. I already watched oh yeah, I forgot that the pterodactyl's mouth moves. But yeah, it's been a while. But yeah, I have watched like one other piece of Pee-wee media lately, like a while back. No. That was weird, man. Like that was insanely weird. The auto one looked more the auto figurine on the other hand looks more sane and normal. But yeah, that's all of my day one gifts. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so I think this next one will be a little more sane compared to that last one. These are some so these are some bouncy dice that I got from day 3. Yeah, that's right. I skipped day 2 because I barely got anything from day 2 because because I didn't get anything unboxing worthy. All I got was just a sticker and a frame. That's it. But yeah, these are some bouncy dice blocks that I got that I got from one of the vendors. Bouncy dice blocks, yeah. And the fortunate thing is that they come in is that they come in different pairs. They come in different. They come in different sizes with these being the average normal sizes. Also, gotta love the fact that that there's actual numbers labeled on the rather than the usual polka dot. Rather than the usual polka dots that you see on regular dice. But yeah, these are some bouncy dice blocks that I got from one of the vendors. These are this is a 7-pack that consists of the colors white, green, and brown, and the shapes are triangle, classic pyramid, classic cube, these diamond shapes, hexagon, another diamond shape. Though this one, this is an actual diamond shape, so a smaller one at least, and I think heptagon, or wait. Decagon, and as the size, but yeah, these are the sizes for the normal for the smaller normal ones, and these are the big ones I got. I already showed this one, but this one, no, nope. But yeah, this is a this one comes in green and this one comes in green and yellow. This one comes in red and black. This is a bouncy dice that comes in there are 12 there's approximately 12 sides to this one, and 8 sides to this one. These are some these are some pretty cool. These ones are honestly, dice blocks are bouncy dice blocks are honestly really cool looking. This is not something I'm actually familiar with. They actually do bounce. They bounce around. Ah! Oh God! Ah! Oh! 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 Oh God! Oh. There's these ones, but do they bounce? They do bounce, but at what cost? Huh? Well, what do you think? At what cost? Oh wait. I got no time for this. But yeah, these are squishy dice that have a very, they're honestly pretty cool to look at. I mean, these are, yeah, This is not something you can be able to find anywhere else other than maybe other than a con and maybe online. I don't know, but yeah. Yeah. Next gift. All right, now for the big finale. Yeah, this is the last one. The last unboxing worthy gift, anyways. The rest are just the rest are just artworks and paints, prints that I got. But yeah. If you don't know what this is a this is basically a this is like a mystery box thing, a mystery box. Like you open it and see what's inside it. Yeah, you open it and see what's inside it. Yeah. This is basically, yeah, as what the robot says, it's what's in the box? Either I do know that's a Mario thing. That's what I can confirm is the fact that it's something related to Mario. So yeah, the other quote unquote mystery boxes of these were just fandoms that I'm either not into or just don't care for. I mean they're both equal either way, but yeah. Whatever's in this box, it's gonna take some work to open up. Okay, let's see what's in the box, I guess. What is this stuff? One, we got some stickers. Just 2 stickers. Some socks. Oh, and this next one may not be for me. This next one, it's a peach sweater. A peach sweater. More stickers. More stickers. More stickers. And that's it. I'm not even sure if this shirt is even made for me. I'm not even sure if this shirt is actually made for someone like me. Honestly, for the final gift, for the final actual gift, this felt kind of underwhelming. Like, I was expecting there to be like blind boxes of blind boxes of Mario figurines, but no. Instead, it's just socks this or stickers that. Just some stickers. Some stickers. I mean, the stickers look cool, I guess, but I also got some socks with that too. But wait a minute. Wait. Are these meant to be holiday stickers? Wait. See that snowflake? You see the snowflakes on these socks? These are meant to be winter socks. What a ripoff. I expected so much more from this box, and I expected so much more from that godforsaken box. I literally expected like so much more cool stuff, and I literally expected so much more actual cool stuff, like figurines or blind boxes, plushies, yeah, and then yeah, I was expecting like so much more cool stuff. And what do I get? A hoodie that's not even meant for me, for someone like me. Some stupid socks and some stupid stickers. What a ripoff. Seriously. Like, what a ripoff. I expected better. I expected so much better. You know what? It's times like these where I say that even the Pee Wee Herman figurine is more interesting than this mystery bag stuff. Even the Pee Wee Herman, the figurine and the whole stuff with the Pee Wee Herman, all the Pee Wee Herman, the Pee Wee's Playhouse stuff. Yeah, these, the dice, hell, even the Otto figurine are honestly more interesting. Like I unbox figurines, and I review books. I unbox figurines. I unbox and review books. I even unbox Lego sets for all I care. But stickers, socks, hoodies? No. Nope. No. No. No, I also got 3D printed Buddha statues from the from the con, but honestly, these are honestly more interesting too. You know what? Maybe I'm being a little too hard on myself. Maybe I'm being a little too hard on myself and this whole mystery bag thing. Maybe I should at least accept the fact that these stickers do at least look kind of dope. These stickers do at least look kind of dope. I think this Mario Kart 1 has to be my favorite, as well as the Super Mario World 1. Yeah. These would be useful for the holiday season, when the holiday season eventually comes, and this shirt too, this hoodie. I mean the artwork of Peach is nice, I guess, but yeah, this is some pretty nice artwork. I will give it that. You know what? Yeah, maybe I was too hard on myself when unboxing the mystery bag. Maybe I was too hard on myself. Smells like furniture. Smells like a newly It smells like a new bed that you just bought from IKEA or something. It smells like... Never mind. But what I'm saying is, I've definitely unboxed better. I've definitely gotten better stuff from the Comic-Con than this. At least collector-wise. But yeah, I will give credit that these stickers do at least look cool. And the artwork on this peach hoodie at least looks unique. You know, if I would have gotten a, if I would have gotten like a, Wario hoodie, if this would have been like a yellow hoodie with Wario on it, I would have been I would have been more satisfied. But yeah, and also other videos like the Mario Dinorama set. I think that's what it's called, but it had a Goomba, Boo, Bullet Bill, and Koopa Troopa. I think it's the I think it's a Dinorama set. Yeah, other videos like the Dinorama, other videos I did like the Dinorama set, the Dinorama set, and the bootleg large Mario figurines. Those are from Con too, but but my family got those for me because I didn't get to I didn't go to Con during those times. I didn't go to Con during those times. Because, well, I just didn't think it would interest me, but now that I actually went, it did interest me. Yeah. All in all, I can say that I definitely did get a good lineup of things to unbox. I did get this was mostly a pretty good lineup. Good at best. No, maybe not good at best. It was good, but yeah, I got some pretty cool stuff like a yeah. The bouncy dice the bouncy dice blocks were really cool, but the auto figurine I can get anywhere. This Pee Wee Herman figurine, however, and the Pee Wee set in general, they seem kind of exotic. Like you can't really find them anywhere else. But yeah, and then there's the mystery box, the Mario mystery box with the stickers, and sock, and hoodie, and yeah. And how can I forget the 3D Buddha statues, the 3D printed Buddha statues. Yeah. Decent lineup. So yeah, that's probably going to be the end of this video. That's probably going to be the end of the video now. So if you guys enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and then click the bell if you don't want to miss any new content from the channel. Now, I'll see you next time. Bye.